you. And we will let you go, and then we'll go get you, just because you didn't listen. So please stay away from those breaks. If you're snorkeling right here where we're parking, right all that in the front, you're allowed to be all that in the front. For activities, we have the kayak, which is a partner, no flip-flops, and anything that is okay to get wet. For snorkeling, I have all the equipment. You may use it, but you need to check it out and check it back in. You lose it, break it, you must buy it. And then we have the dinghy ride, which is this little boat that was following us the whole time. And you can take any cameras on there, nothing will get wet, you will not slip over. And they'll get you closer so you can get better pictures. And that's mostly, well, it's for the sea life, but for the birds too. We have a really neat bird out here, the blue-footed booby bird. His feet are like blue.
Oh my!
Let's stay together, let's watch each other, and let's have a good time.
Oh, they are so
Are you guys snorkeling?
Oh, why aren't we closer? It looks so awesome.
Last time moving.
Like right there. Hi. I want to go hang out with them.
Are you guys snorkeling?
I might try it.
I want to. It's a partner.
Hi, Tador.
Bye.
Probably because I just ate.
You feel bad?
Yeah.